Hello guys, welcome back to Investorology. This side is Sagar once again with a brand new video for Banknifty analysis for 17th of July. So before we proceed for tomorrow's analysis, so let's just have a quick recap of what we had discussed yesterday, and let's see how Banknifty has performed to these levels. Okay. So if you guys have seen my previous video, I have mentioned like if Banknifty sustains this level of 21,244, and it will be giving a very sharp fall to 21,035 levels. Okay, so Banknifty opened a little flat, okay, around somewhere 400 levels, and there it broke our first support 403, and in a 15 minutes candle you can see there was a sharp fall. This candle gave a sharp fall and went to a low of around 21,067, and in the next candle we hit a low of around 21,028, in which our 21,035 levels got achieved. Okay, from there market consolidated because Nifty was a little higher end. Nifty was looking a little bullish from there, so it consolidated, and from there it made a range and went up to 244 again, and there again to 403, then again expiry premium decays again to 244 levels, then again it moved upside. Okay, so the short covering rally came, which was around 1415, that is around 215 it came, but the actual rally came around 245 here. In this candle you can see there was a 200 points sharp rally, which was a short covering rally. The short covering around came around this 1:15 a.m. only, so market was consolidating and swiftly moving. So it was very due, and if you have seen the Nifty call today, I gave at 10,650 call option at 20 rupees. It made high around 90 rupees, and even the call option of 21,400 also made some good profits. Okay, so it was a very genuine, and how see the levels have been performed, and it went up to the high of 21,668. Okay, and our level was 21,649. So it tested all our levels, and from there it just consolidated, gave a closing around 21,542, which was adjusted in Zerodha. Okay, so let's see how Bank Nifty is going to perform tomorrow on the level wise. So the levels are all the market levels will be same. There would be no changes because market have been expecting to those levels, so we'll not make any necessary changes as of now. Okay, so the support and resistance are same. The first support is around 21,403. Okay, and the resistance is above 21,649 is 21,800, then 21,931, and above it 22,000 levels. Okay, and for lower levels we can say 21,244 is broken, it will be going to 21,035, and if 21,000 is broken, it will be falling more sharply to 20,745, which is very highly unlikely for me for tomorrow. So let's see how market is opening and behaving around the levels. We can do it. So there are a lot of questions many clients or many members of my channel have asked, like how the levels are being traded. So the trading the levels are very simple. So let me just zoom it out the level so that you guys can take a screenshot and mark these levels on your system. So just guys do one thing, mark all these levels on the right hand side, you can see on your charting system, right? And once these levels are marked there, so just try to convert the graph to either 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So let me just give you a quick brief about it. Okay, so if I'll make a 15 minutes candle frame and see, and here it is 15 minutes frame here already set up, and if you can see I have said you like 21,035 is an important level, and it is a strong support as well, plus a psychological level to 21,000. So market was very certain that it will not break in a single shot after such red candle formation. Okay, so when you saw the Bank Nifty touching this 21,035, you can take a call option or you can buy Bank Nifty futures at this level. Okay, because once it got tested, so it will be moving up, and you can see it moved up, and your target would be the necessary point, I mean 100 200 points or the next level of resistance. Again, if you can see in the second candle only, it made a high of 20,000, just a second, 21,177, and 21,329 it made a high in the second candle itself. Okay, which was the first resistance level of 21,244 breach, and your target would have been achieved. So from there, like if Bank Nifty would have been trading above it, the next would be the next logical things will be, if Bank Nifty is trading above 21,244 244, we will be buying, for the next target of 21,403. So again, if you can see in this candle, it gave a closing above 21,244. The closing was around 21,256. This 11:15 candle, you can see the closing here, 21,256. So we could have bought here the call option, or bought look on for long side on futures. So, and again you can see the next target was achieved in the third candle of 11:45, and it made a high of 21,425. Okay, and from there, because it was a support again, we could have sold off, because it was an expiry, so the premium has to come down, so we could have sold off for the lower targets of 21,244. Again you can see 21,244 was hit already, and around 1 o'clock from there you can see the upside rally came, and it was an expiry. So definitely it moved up, and it moved very sharply up to 21,649 levels. Okay, so this is how the levels are being played. You can convert it to 5 minutes. If I'll convert it to 5 minutes to make use, so see, these are the 5 minutes frame, and you can see the movements here. Okay, see exactly it made a 9:30. From 9:30 you could have initiated buy call and could have sold off here or anywhere like 21,244 levels, and from this is there to no trade zone, and again you could have bought here or around 21 above this level you could have bought and sold off accordingly. And here at 1:15 you could have easily there was a clear signals, like it was making clearly green patterns above the levels, and here was a very big candle in 5 minutes frame. So there was a confirmation here, 21,244 levels above, and it gave a consolidation to this range, and once it formed after two red candles, it formed a green. You could have initiated by around 110 at 110, and could have hold the things up to 3 o'clock and see the rally. It was a 300 to 659 49, around 300 plus points rally. And see, the main thing is you have to see the levels, how market has been respecting levels. 21,649 I gave the level, and market hit those level and sustained and came a lower back. Okay, so this is how the levels have been performing. So let me just move it to 15 minutes and you guys can clearly see it. Yeah, so these are the levels important which I have suggested, like above 21,649, which is today's day's high. If it trades, we will be moving forward for 21,800, and the lower levels are been very clear and mentioned, 21,403, below it 21,244 and 21,035. So which is very highly unlikely for me to go to 21,035, but market is uncertain, so it can go anywhere. So just trade on the levels. I have suggested you guys how the level trading has to be performed. You guys can trade, just if you are not confident, you can give a paper trade short and see how the levels have been performing. Okay, so I'm just zooming it out so you guys can take a screenshot of it and make these levels set on your charting system. From 20,745 to 22,348, all levels have been mentioned. Capture a screenshot and set these levels on your charting system and trade accordingly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So then definitely do like and share among your friends, and do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you everyone for your time. Stay safe.